Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your online store with BigCommerce easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your BigCommerce account. Navigate to your store's dashboard. In the left sidebar, find and click on Account Settings. Under Security, look for the section labeled SSL Settings. Ensure that your SSL certificate is activated for secure transactions. Next, go to Storefront in the left sidebar. Click on Web Analytics to access tracking settings. Connect to Google Analytics for enhanced tracking of visitor behavior. Now, return to the Account Settings menu. Select Users to manage access to your store. Create unique user accounts with different permission levels. This helps keep your store secure by limiting access. Next, go to Settings and click on Security. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Now, review your payment provider settings. Ensure you're using a secure and trusted payment gateway. In the left sidebar, click on Apps. Browse for security-related apps to enhance your store's security features. Install any app that offers features like fraud protection and two-factor authentication. After that, scroll to Store Settings. Check the Password Policies section. Enhance your password requirements for better security. Next, navigate back to Account Settings. Select Notifications. Set up alerts for any unauthorized activities in your store. Finally, conduct regular security audits. Regular reviews help identify any vulnerabilities and keep your store secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.